Hello. In this video, we're going to walk through the process of how to create a dashboard in ClickUp. To get started, from the left side menu, click on the Dashboards option. Then you'll see the several templates. Now pick a template that suits with your requirements. Then pop-up will appear in that click on Create Dashboard option, and give it a moment as the content loads. Once it's loaded, click on the three dots or the Embed option. Here, you have the option to rename the dashboard, download it as a PDF, duplicate it, or even delete it. After making these changes, click on the Share Permissions to view your sharing options. In the Share Permissions dashboard, you can choose to make it public or keep it private, depending on your preferences. Once everything is set up, your new dashboard will be ready. And that's how you create a dashboard in ClickUp. Thank you for watching.